I was gonna film this intro outside, but as soon as I got outside and got the camera set up, I was completely washed out. Shy surprise. Shy surprise. Anyways, welcome back everybody. I've gotten this question a lot of what exhaust am I running? Why are you squeaking that? Why is your car, stop, dude, come on man, I'm trying to, this fucker. So, don't even think about it. So, I run the ETS Extreme with no mufflers. This dude is gonna keep squeaking this toy. Hang on. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that toy. Give me that squeaky toy. Give me that. Ha. So. Fine, take it. Don't squeak it. So I run the ETS Extreme, no mufflers, with a Cobb catted downpipe. And it's loud. It's really loud. I like it loud. So we're going to go through, we're going to get a couple different types of exhaust clips. I got the GoPro that I'm going to end up setting up on the back of the car. I've got the M50 that we'll be using as well. And we're going to interchange some clips here. So we're going to be doing static. Car not under load, so it's going to be sitting in the driveway. We're going to be doing like blum, blum, whatever you want to call those. Then we're going to swap to the GoPro so we get some driving sound, so that way you can hear it when it's under load actually driving from the exhaust point of view. There he goes, squeaking that goddamn toy again. And then we'll swap to just a couple drive-bys here and there. I went up to find somewhere to go. So with that, let's just jump into it. crispy! Crispy clean! I love it. So, we just got back. We went up to Pierce, which is my college. Holy shit, give me that. Jesus Christ, I regret buying this. So we went up to my old college, Pierce, and went around there. Oh my god, dude, he's like a little shark. Take it, jeez. So we went up to my college. We drove around a little bit and whatnot. I hope that answers your guys' questions on A, what an ETS sounds like. B, should you buy one? I'm gonna say yes because they're fantastic exhausts. Fantastic, I love them. But hopefully that resolves some of the questions that people have been asking about the exhaust. It's a little bit loud. We're still on the stock header, stock up pipe, but not for long. We're going to be swapping to an equal length header soon. So that way no more loud, obnoxious Subaru rumble, which I do like, but I want more power. So, hope that helped you guys out. If this video helped you, smash that like button on this video. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. If you don't want to, you don't want to, but I appreciate it if you do. Anyways, thanks for swinging by, everyone. Thanks for spending time here, as always, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Okay. Now that I'm done filming, you're done with this? Now you just want to chew on the blanket? You're a monster.